Hi, you're on the FixProfit channel. Make yourself comfortable, it's time for effective trading. My trading experience is 10 years, I am constantly modernizing my strategies, now I am inspired by the symbiosis with artificial intelligence. No more keeping track of a bunch of tabs in your browser. Data on 12 key indicators are collected in one tool. This is my assistant, speeding up my work and helping me to see the situation objectively. It gives recommendations. This bot is absolutely free, you can pick it up at the link in the description. In a month it will be available only for a fee, so hurry up. And in order not to miss new useful content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. I will be glad to your likes and comments, our team really appreciates your feedback. So, an active sold. I see that in the detailed report from the bot, 9 indicators show bearish strength in the next 5 minutes. That's a serious advantage. I agree in this situation and enter the market clearly on the signal. The time frame is 5 minutes, the robot updates data periodically 1 minute. Euro and dollar. I can see from the volume histogram that in the past hour, sellers dominated and gradually lowered the price, saturating the market well with volume. Now the price will most likely continue to move within the corridor in a flat state. I think that after touching the resistance zone we will see a bounce down and a stronger bearish impulse. By the way, together with the free bot at the link in the description you will get access to the VIP chat and a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. So, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Promo code works on the first deposit. Guys, I accelerated the price movement to save your time. Why you shouldn't give up on trading, even when it feels impossible. Let's get real, trading can feel like running a marathon up a mountain, in a storm, while carrying a backpack full of rocks. You hit a few losses, your confidence takes a nosedive, and you start thinking, maybe I'm just not cut out for this. But let me tell you something. Every successful trader you admire was once in your shoes. Steve Jobs was fired from Apple before he built it into the powerhouse we know today. Elon Musk slept on his office floor while trying to keep Tesla alive. Trading is no different. It's a game of resilience, not luck. Now, let's talk about the fundamentals that can save your account and your sanity. Risk management, the foundation of every great trader. Imagine building a skyscraper without a solid foundation. Doesn't matter how beautiful it looks, it's going to crumble. In trading, that foundation is risk management. The golden rule? 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. If you're trading with $100, your risk per trade is $1. If you're trading with $1,000, it's $10. Yeah, the profits may not look glamorous at first. You're pocketing 80 cents on a winning $1 trade, but scale up to $10, and now you're taking home $8. Now, imagine trading with $5,000, risking $50 per trade and pulling in $40 profit per successful move. That's the power of compounding. But it only works if you stick to the rule. Discipline is your best friend, not the market. Trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a calculated risk. Just like starting a business or investing in real estate. You wouldn't open a restaurant without a plan, right? You wouldn't sink all your savings into a startup without knowing the risks. So why treat trading any differently? It's a risk, yes, but it's a controllable risk when you have the right tools and strategies in place. That's where my AI assistant comes in. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't panic, it doesn't get greedy, it simply analyzes, calculates, and helps you make smarter, data-driven decisions. And the best part? It's free. You can test it right now. Link in the description. Meanwhile, I closed my first trade in the plus side. My teamwork with the bot is paying off. Now it's time to work with another currency pair for a change. Euro and pound. 5 minutes. Active selling. This is a recommendation from FixProfit. Once again 9 indicators are shouting about the seller's strength. And I see a clear trend. I hit the red button on the broker. What does the historical data say about all this? In this situation, in the past hour, the sellers acted more decisively and realized their potential. Their volumes saturated the market better. Gradually the price was decreasing within the decreasing corridors. I think that in this case the situation will be similar to the previous deal. I think that the price will rise a bit, after that there will be a rebound and sellers will show their strength again. Listen up folks, our channel is running a contest with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video, and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. I know people, and I mean regular, everyday people, who left their 9-to-5 jobs to focus on trading full-time. They weren't born trading prodigies. They weren't sitting on piles of cash. They just committed to the process, stayed consistent, and leveraged smart tools to keep them on track. And yes, some of them started with as little as $100. But they didn't blow it on reckless trades. They compounded. They reinvested their gains. They followed the 1-to-2% rule and built a solid trading habit. So, when you feel like quitting, remember, every big trader started small. Every winning strategy started with a loss. The only difference? They didn't give up. Think of it like this. If you're driving a car without a GPS, you might get there, but you'll probably take a lot of wrong turns and waste a lot of gas. My AI assistant is that GPS. It analyzes market data, flags key patterns, and keeps you emotionally neutral, the way a pro trader thinks. It doesn't get excited, it doesn't get frustrated, it just processes data and spits out actionable insights. You still make the final call, but now you're making it with a powerful co-pilot in the passenger seat. So, I've completed my work. Second successful transaction. Total profit for today, $1,978. Take the bot for free, friends. The link is below the video. Subscribe, see you soon.